Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Let's hope all you're doing well and welcome back again. Let's talk about the crypto market today and let's see what 5 coins I add to my portfolio. If you don't know, in the last few weeks I've been DCA into the crypto market. I create new crypto portfolio right here and you can see, let me see, where is my crypto portfolio? Right there. Okay, so you can see I have already invested $1,079 and my portfolio is $145 up or 15.5% since day one. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen in the next future. Actually, what is my opinion for the crypto market? If you see the fear and greed index, okay, you can see that we are at 60, what is very, very positive. Now, a lot of people are skeptical. They think they're going to go down the market. However, I think the market is not going to go down a lot. If in case go down, I don't think we'll go below 20K, to be honest. I wish to go down, but I don't think that will be the case anymore. I don't see any shit show in the moment to happen. If FTX doesn't crash to zero, if the Binance FUD, whatever happened a few days ago, doesn't happen, to bring the market, is only bring the BTC to 21,900, 700, I think we can see the upwards. What I'm very sad because I want to stay this level. I want to stay around 20K so I can buy more tokens. So I will let you know what is my plan. But before we go there, please do not forget that everything what I'm saying is only my personal opinion. What's mean I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do your own research. This is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, this is very, very risky stuff. Okay, so this guy, by the way, this one, the fear and greed index, is very, very accurate. There's so many indexes to check if the market going to go, and analysis to go if the market going to go up or down, and most of them saying will go up. Most of them saying we bottom at around 16K, and I believe that's the case, to be honest. I believe so. That's why I'm doing DCA. Now let's see what I did. I bought 5 tokens. 3 I bought low risk and 2 high risk. So what I got is, let me see, Bitcoin. For the first time I got Bitcoin, so I'm spending around $25 for each token. Here you can see the date where I bought, how much money and how many tokens, and where I'm holding the tokens. By the way, in the description you will find the link to my crypto portfolio. If you want to, you can check, you can follow if you want. It will be great. If not, that's still okay. So this is the 5 tokens I bought. So on the 14th I bought 3 tokens, and on the 17th yesterday I bought 2 more tokens. Now I cannot show you my camera with my face because I have some technical difficulties. Also, I'm going to make a video tomorrow. I'm trying to get into some trading bot and a copy trader. I find one of the best copy trader out there who made 1000% APR in the last 18 months, what has been an absolutely amazing. But that's the video to follow probably tomorrow or the next day. Let's talk about what else about the crypto. So I bought some Bitcoin. I bought some more Cardano because I believe Cardano is so undervalued, guys. It's 87% under from all-time high. Okay, I think I need to buy a little bit more. I got Polkadot explode yesterday. It was an absolutely crazy running. It was from 680. I got around, I think, $7 somewhere, and then just explode like 5-6 more percent. It was like yesterday was around 650 and then blow up to 730, almost $1, guys. Okay, so that's crazy. I think this is so undervalued. The Polkadot, I think, have so much to go, and it's also 87%. So what's mean, guys? If Polkadot, okay, if Cardano went to all-time high potential, okay, potentially, we're looking about 8x from this price, okay, 8-9x from this price, and we talk about top project, blue chip project. Okay, I got some risky token. It's called Caduceus. Okay, I bought that on the 14th and it's up already. You can see here in my portfolio I put only $15 because if I find something what is very, very risky, I'll put $15, and I made already 15%. Well, that's very nice. And then the last one, I got some radium, or okay, so this was the main DEX for Solana. I think the DEXs, I need to make a separate video for that, like Pancake Swap, like Quick Swap, like Radium, like I forget what was for AVAX, all the DEX. I think they have a huge potential to go in the future. Okay, so in all these tokens, what I'm doing, what is my strategy is I'm trying to find some passive platforms where I'm going to make some money. I'm taking a part of that money and I'm using to buy some tokens, and also big chunk from that money I'm trying to compound into different platforms. I'm taking sometimes for home some money, but most of the time right now I'm trying to compound, because if the market expect to go more up, as I'm thinking, if this surprises, if Bitcoin hit, let's say 26k, it will be easy reach to 30k. Again, not financial advice, only my opinion. If reach to 30k, we'll go a little bit down and then we'll blow up again, maybe 35-40k. And if Bitcoin hit around 35-40k in, I don't know, 3-4 months, maybe a month, maybe 2 months time, I believe everything else will blow up even more. Okay, now I can see still Bitcoin season, but there's still undervalued some of the altcoins. Okay, Polygon doing exceptional well, to be honest. Like Solana is still good buy, Polkadot is still good buy. Let's see Shiba. I like to open on CoinGecko, to be honest, because it's give me like what was the all-time high. I can see that it's much easier for me. So Shiba is 85% from all-time high, and that's about 8x from now. Again, remember, we cannot maybe make 100x. Okay, so even if you buy Bitcoin, don't expect to make 100x. That's not possible. Okay, if the Bitcoin even hit 200,000-300,000 in the next few years, that's 10x from now. But that's 10x from now, waiting for years and years to come. So don't expect here that if you put $25 or $30, you're going to make $1,000 now. You need to look for very risky or not even come out tokens or altcoins, like example, like AI Path, what's coming very soon, the 28th of this month. I'm going to make a video for that. Okay, so that's expecting to be 200-300x. One of my favorite is Near Protocol, Hedera Hashgraph. Okay, I'm waiting to find some dip so I can buy more. There we go, still 85% down. Okay, don't forget this was around 90%, now it's 80%. Okay, and soon will be 85, soon will be 80%, and after that will be 70%. And when it's 70%, that's only 5-6x. Okay, maybe 5x from that price. So that's why I'm DCA. In case the price go down, I'll buy a little bit more. If the price go up, I'll still buy till maybe the Bitcoin is hit around 35-40,000, and after that I don't think I'll buy anymore. It depends if I find some kind of new project. Near Protocol, absolutely amazing gem right there, 87% down. Okay, don't forget, always check how much went up in the last 30 days. If the price skyrocket 200%, maybe it's not good idea to buy, but if you buy some small amounts, DCA, maybe it's not so bad. You can see in the last 30 days we went from $2 to $2.50, so it's not bad. Let's see the last 90 days, it was 130, so not so, almost 100%. Okay, in the last 50-60 days. Okay, there are so many tokens, guys. I probably can talk all day long. Again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to make some video from some special token, or let me know where you're making some money in this crazy crypto market. Algorand, amazing token. Let's see Algorand, guys. I need to pick up more algo. Definitely 93%, 92% down from all-time high, guys. That's so what was that? $3.5. That's exactly 12x from this price. Can you believe? Just imagine if this hit all-time high and double that. We're talking about 40x, 25x from now. That's crazy, and I think that's possible if Bitcoin hits 70-80k again. Some of these tokens going to hit new all-time high again. If the Bitcoin hit 100k in the next 2 years, I believe this can easy double the all-time high and most of the tokens. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Stay positive, and don't forget, more you give is more you receive, is everything in life. Thank you so much. Till the next one.